Alright, so this is a little quick one for y'all. Little trick I use when I want to drill a hole in drywall and not make a mess everywhere, especially when I'm by myself and don't have somebody who can hold a shop vac under it. I take a little plastic bag. You can use like a Walmart bag or a little remnant of whatever you got and shape it into a little bag. You can put some painter's tape on there, right? Just around the edge so you can basically suspend that bag and just put it right below where you're drilling. So you got a nice opening. And see, as you can see, you can just do this by yourself. That's just the beauty of it. And then drill your holes and all the junk goes right into the bag. There you go. All of it captured in the bag. Easy. So if you like this type of stuff, check out my channel, Common Sense Solutions. Little tricks on there from time to time. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.